Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a project share for you guys, and just kind of like a little Christmas DIY type of thing. So I had this from Easter. I took all of the Easter stuff out except for the little foam piece there at the bottom. And I put in some little items I got at Dollarama. Everything in here I got at Dollarama. So I put the little drum right there. I did have to cut the tree. You can see the tree is a lot taller. Here I had to cut it right about there, and then I took this piece and just glued it to the bottom again, so then I could glue it in here flat. And then I put a little candy cane back here, and I have Santa right here. And I haven't finished filling it with the snow. I wanted to show you guys that. But the little lights light up in there, and you can see back here, yeah, this necklace was a lot larger than I thought it was. So I just ended up gluing a couple to the tree and pushing all the rest of it back. So I'm going to turn that off, and I am going to go ahead. I got this artificial snow from, let me move my table, but I got the artificial snow from Dollarama, and I am just going to shove it in there, kind of so it's like almost like a snow globe in there. And then basically I wanted to cover up the foam piece and the battery pack. So yeah. But I had to put the battery pack at the front so that I could turn on the lights whenever I want to and be able to turn them off. So there we go. We've got a little Christmas ornament, snow globe, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to put the like a little bow right here, just because I thought it would be kind of cute. This wobbles a lot, so I have to be really careful with it. But I also got this little bow. It was in the package with the either with Santa or with the drum. I don't remember which one. And I just cut off, this is a twist tie on there. So I just cut off the back of it, and I'm just gonna hot glue it to the top. And well, if I can put it in the right spot. There we go. And I'm just gonna put it right there. So there we go. And that is it. I just wanted to show you guys that little thing, so we can find the button in here again and turn on the little lights and turn them off, and just push the little snow back to kind of cover it up again. So there you go. And this is the string I use to hang it up. It's pink, I know, but it was the only string I could find right away, so I took that. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. And I hope you guys have a great Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little project share. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.